All right, once you get the layout done, you're ready to start cutting out your parts. Make sure you cut on the solid lines. Okay, then we score, which I'm going to show you how to do. We score the dash lines. Okay, right here on this 3-inch mark, make sure you cut in. When you reach the dash line, you pull the scissors back out. Same thing right here. Cut in, pull the scissors back out. Don't cut on the dash lines. Anything that has scratch marks where we scribbled it out is trash. We want to make sure we go ahead and hang on to the other side of our folder for if we make any mistakes. You can use that to draw your pieces out of. So this is our finished layout right here. Now we're ready to cut. So when you get it all cut out, your pieces should look like this. All right, so here's the body right here. These are the little flaps I was talking about, 3-inch cuts. Make sure you cut in and then pull it back out. Same thing over here. Do not cut on the dash line. Okay, then we have our airfoil right here. Okay, and then we have our 2 fins right here. Now, one thing you want to do is make sure that your name is on every single piece. Just go ahead and write it on our layout side. So that way, if it gets left out, I know who to give it back to right here. Alright, so make sure your name is on every single piece. That way we have that. Now, as far as the scoring goes, you're going to need a ruler right here and a scratch awl. The scratch awls are up on my desk, so there should be 2 of them. You guys will have to share them. What I want to do is I want to create a nice edge right here, which I've already done this one right here, so that'll allow me to fold it nice and clean when I go to folding right there. Okay, it allows me to kind of fold that side over right there, and it's nice and clean. It's not messed up, and it's not uneven. So the way we do it, for every dash line you have, you're going to take your ruler and you're just going to lay it next to the dash line right here and right there. You can hold the scratch awl like a pencil. Be very careful that you don't press down too hard because it will cut all the way through. And I'm just going to start it where I need to and run that scratch awl down the edge of my ruler and where the dash lines are. So I need to do both of these right here. And then I also want to do the horizontal one across there. Start it where your dashes start. Run it down there. And then I want to do my airfoil right here on the edge. Make sure you get it nice and straight. And then go ahead and score that side. And score this side right here. Okay, now again, that'll allow you to kind of take and fold over your pieces nice and neat here, and then my sides as well right there, so it kind of starts to get our air glider look right there. Now, next thing I want to do is we are going to transfer over our designs from our rough draft, okay, to our main body. We want the same design. We are going to use the clean side of the air racer right here. Okay, so where we laid out all of our pencil markings, that'll be the back side of it. We want to use the clean side of the air racer right here. Same thing with our fins. All right, so where we wrote on these, okay, that'll be the back side. We actually want to put the design on the clean side right here and right here. Okay, make sure you pay attention to what we wrote. Okay, we want this to be on the bottom, that to be in the back. All right, so this one is actually going to be going that direction there. And then if I look at this, that's bottom, that's back, so that's going to be going that way there. And I want to make sure I put my designs on correctly so it's not backwards. All right, so that is the next step. All right, get everything cut out nice and neat, nice and clean. Make sure your cuts are nice and clean. We don't want waves going through there. Take your time cutting. Make sure you use the scratch awl. Score your edges. Then you're ready to transfer over your designs. Okay, again, if you need to go in the hallway, use the lights, you can, but do a good job transferring those over.